5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. They could move this way down the track, but you know, they're to my far left. The cracks and going on down here, and I'm talking with the royalty girls and the commenters. The consensus is their moms drive kind of the same way. So just so you know, I guess this is one group that we need to be a little bit fun. Looks like we had to get some mechanics out there to get that car back up and running.
Full-size ball.
30 more seconds. So it sounds like one of our cars had some engine problems or motor problems in their situation. If we could just give them a little bit of encouragement, you know, we never know when those motors are going to fail. And probably running them with, you know, an 18-volt Milwaukee probably didn't help anything.
I think so. Totally. Girls just have like
Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. There's the end of our Powerwheels. Big round of applause. Okay, so we have an exciting evening tonight. Nearly 80 cars.